Hey guys, so just a heads up that this video was recorded actually a few years back. As you may have noticed, I haven't been uploading for a while. Life just got really busy, didn't have the time or the headspace to edit and upload videos, but things are getting a bit better now, so that's why I'm slowly beginning to upload again. So I figured that I'd still upload this video since I already filmed it, and I believe that people can still benefit from this, so enjoy. Hey guys, James here, back with another video, and today I just want to do a very quick unboxing and just quick look at this. This is the Behringer UCA202. It is essentially an USB audio interface that works on PC and Mac. Now, what you essentially use this for is if you want RCA in or out to your computer, or optical out, you can use this, and this will do it for you. So this is just some instructions and stuff like that, but very quickly getting into the actual thing itself. So this is just standard USB 2.0, and it connects to this. So this essentially allows you, RCA left-right input, RCA left-right output. So for example, if you had something that required RCA in, but you didn't want to buy the extra cable and you wanted, the ability to have optical out or headphones and stuff like that, then you can definitely use this, and it's definitely going to be probably better than what your laptops or, dare I say, your Macs output on the headphones. So you can choose to monitor the audio in or out. So a monitor would be the headphones. You have an optical out here, and you have the volume control, so up and down using scroll. You can see there's an indicator, LED indicator for USB or not. Very simple device. Allows you to do quite a wide variety of things. Now, it is a little bit expensive for what you get, about $59, but there aren't really products out there for this price range that gives you all these different functionalities. Now, obviously, if you're not going to use the optical out, then it's a little bit of that waste of that feature, because obviously you're paying for that. So for example, the reason I bought this was because my church has a Mac and we need input into it. So the Mac has a headphone jack, but it doesn't have an input. So we're getting RCA input from the mixer, and it goes directly into this. And then in the Audacity software, we select this as the recording input. We can choose to monitor it as well. So monitor what the mixer is inputting into this, and we can also output as well. Yeah, really simple. It's an all plastic design. I mean, it's not metal. It's not meant to be dropped and have a lot of durability done against it. But it is a very cheap alternative if you're just gonna stick it there and use it. So that's it. I just want to do a quick video on this product because I don't think many people have done one online in English, at least, just to show you the overview of what it does and what it's used and what you can use it for. But yeah, hope you like this video. Like it if you liked it, dislike if you disliked it. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or any comments about this particular product or anything else, and I'll try to get around to answering those for you as soon as I can. Let me know in the comments what you think about this product. Do you think it's worth it? Do you think it's cheap? Do you think it's dodgy? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe to see more videos like this in the future, and I will see you guys in the next one.